142 piece DeWalt socket and wrench set. Heavy duty metal latches. Here are all the sockets. You got spark plug sockets. You got millimeter sockets. Millimeter wrench. Screwdriver bits. Screwdriver. There are your wrenches. More screwdriver bits in the yellow DeWalt box. Some wrenches up there. Got some adjustable wrench heads. As you can see, those are used for getting into tight spaces. The yellow box. More bits for the screwdriver. Here's the screwdriver, very heavy duty, with the DeWalt logo on it. And all these bits can also be used for a DeWalt drill and the screwdriver, and more bits right here, in there. There's where the screwdriver goes. Here is your socket extension. All the sockets have a DeWalt logo on them. Even the sockets have a DeWalt logo on them. There is my DeWalt 142 piece socket set.